punctual. We're gonna get you there. Service. So we're going to be pushing back here in just a few minutes. We do apologize tremendously for the delay. It was an ATC issue, weather along our route down south. They kind of delayed flights out of here for a while in order for that weather to get out of the way. That's what I'm told. So, anyways, there you have it. Like I said, we're pushing back here in just a few minutes. 2 hours and 40 minutes en route. We'll do everything we can to kind of shorten that up a little bit. Should be a smooth ride, but if the seatbelt sign is on, please respect that and remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. Weather in Key West right now. I haven't really, I've checked it, it's good. It's about 80 degrees and sunny, as it always is in Florida. I'll give you a more accurate and updated weather report once we get a little bit closer. We have two of our very finest flight attendants in the back. They're there for your safety, so please pay attention to any and all announcements that they have. I appreciate your cooperation with that. For now, sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Welcome aboard. Thanks for flying United Airlines.
United is a proud member of the Star Alliance Network. My name is Jen. We have Gabby in the main cabin. We're going to be your flight attendants today. We're almost ready to go, so please put away your carry-on items, including large electronics like laptops. Feel free to keep using your phones, tablets, and e-readers. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. Fasten your seatbelt, bring your seats up, headrest down, and put away your tray tables. For those sitting near a window, we ask that you open the window shade for takeoff, with the exception of children younger than 2. You may briefly remove your mask while eating or drinking, but please make sure to promptly replace it when you're finished. Vented face masks are now allowed. Additionally, a mask must be worn with face shields. Please ring your flight attendant call button if you need a mask free of charge.
overhead bins as items may have shifted. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular network services during flight. There are 2 lavatories, one in the front and one in the back. If you're seated in the main cabin, please use the lavatory in the back of the aircraft. We ask you do not congregate in the aisles or the galleries to use these facilities. Please remain seated until that lavatory is vacant.